I've got word that the revolutionary 2024 Toyota Hilux is about to go hybrid, and it's packing a serious punch of power under the eco-friendly hood. Now, I can't spill all the juicy details just yet, but let me tell you, this bad boy is a game changer. Toyota has managed to keep a tight lid on the specific details, but word on the street is that the 2024 Toyota Hilux is set to deliver an astonishing blend of power, perfect for off-roading and towing, while also boasting improved fuel efficiency. But here's the real eye-opener. This hybrid system doesn't just power the vehicle. It can even double as a generator, making it an ideal companion for camping adventures off the grid. By offering this mobile power source, Toyota aims to enhance the Hilux's already formidable capabilities for outdoor expeditions. Get this. Toyota is bringing their iForce Max mild hybrid system over from the new Tacoma to the Hilux. Using a 48-volt battery and small electric motor, it'll work together with the Hilux's turbo diesel engine, four-wheel drive system, and automatic transmission. And Toyota claims this clever hybrid setup could boost the Hilux's fuel economy by a hard-to-believe 10% compared to the diesel-only version. Put simply, Toyota is about to turn its market-dominating midsize pickup into a fuel-efficient beast. Now that's a recipe for adventure. Insiders claim the hybrid upgrades will make the Hilux even more appealing for outback adventurers by providing boosted performance, yet higher fuel efficiency between fill-ups. Taking a cue from the recent Land Cruiser reboot, this bad boy is embracing a bold new look that's bound to turn heads wherever it roams. But that's not all. Toyota isn't stopping there. They're bringing their A-game by giving the 2024 Hilux the same high-tech TNGA platform found in their awe-inspiring new Tundra full-size truck. And trust me when I say it's primed to up the ante in the midsize class. The images reveal an interior with a modern infotainment display, digital instruments, and a high-tech shift knob that takes clear inspiration from the new Land Cruiser 300. Is the 2024 Toyota Hilux about to raise the bar for midsize pickup cabins? They've taken the concept of work hard, play harder to a whole new level. Toyota aimed to create an interior that's both tough and rugged enough for work, yet sleek and sophisticated enough for relaxation. The new displays and controls look optimized for minimizing off-road distractions, while still exuding the refinement you expect from a Toyota workhorse. Early leaked images suggest Toyota may have nailed the perfect balance of function and form inside the all-new Hilux. Because we're about to embark on a top-secret mission to uncover the mind-blowing modifications and mind-boggling specs of the highly anticipated 2024 Toyota Hilux, our mission? To bring you the exclusive scoop before Toyota is even ready to spill the beans. This potential game-changer is said to deliver epic power for off-roading and towing, while the hybrid system can double as a generator during overlanding trips. Toyota says the upcoming pickup will be jam-packed with advanced driver assistance systems and high-tech features like dual-zone climate control, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. All the signs point to Toyota planning nothing short of a revolution in the midsize pickup segment with this launch. With any luck, the rumors about a hybrid turbo-diesel powertrain will turn out to be true, which could give the 2024 Hilux the power, versatility, and efficiencies needed to truly raise the bar for mid-sized truck buyers. Word on the street is Toyota is ditching ordinary for extraordinary with this relaunch, giving the Hilux a turbo diesel engine pumping out a jaw-dropping 308 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque, almost twice the current outputs. And that's just the beginning. A hybrid variant is in the works for 2024 with over 200 horsepower, promising improved fuel efficiency. An all-electric Hilux may also follow in the footsteps of the new Tacoma and Tundra. We're here to tease, to make you crave more, to keep you on the edge of your seat. So, get ready to feast your eyes on the 2024 GR Sport, set to launch in Australia. With early pricing details, and it will come with the most potent Hilux diesel engine ever, producing 165 kilowatts of power and 550 Newton meters of torque. All signs point to Toyota aiming for nothing short of redefining the mid-size pickup segment with this upgrade. If rumors of a hybrid system and electric powertrain prove true, the 2024 Hilux will have the tools needed to raise the bar for truck enthusiasts everywhere. Imagine a beastly transformation that leaves no stone unturned, because Toyota has taken the bold step of redesigning practically every element of the Hilux GR Sport, morphing it into an off-road machine that defies limits. It's undergone a metamorphosis, ready to conquer any terrain that stands in its way. With a wider track, lifted suspension, larger shocks, and beefier brakes, the Hilux GR Sport is equipped with the tools to handle the roughest of landscapes with ease. But that's not all. The rear sway bar has been removed, granting it even greater control and agility on the off-road playground. Plus, unique 17-inch Dakar-style alloy wheels wrapped in massive all-terrain tires, a resculpted front bumper with an integrated skid plate, and a black mesh grille give it an aggressive stance ready to take on any challenge. Off-road lovers, prepare for Toyota to raise the bar in luxury off-road performance with this upgrade. I've got details revealing the 2024 Toyota Hilux GR Sport has some serious capabilities up its alloy sleeve. In addition to the rally-inspired suspension, beefy tires, and chassis enhancements, Toyota has gone the extra mile to equip the Hilux GR Sport with an arsenal of capabilities that will make every adventure unforgettable. Say goodbye to overheating and hello to uninterrupted excitement. But that's not all. Toyota knows that protection is key when you're conquering rugged terrains, which is why they've included heavy-duty rock rails that serve as a shield for the body, guarding it against any obstacles that dare to challenge the GR Sport's dominance. The Hilux GR Sport is a force to be reckoned with, and nothing will stand in its way. Taking functionality to the next level, the GR Sport boasts a black rear bumper complete with integrated recovery gear, ensuring that you're always prepared for the unexpected. Need to tow? No problem. Toyota has you covered with pre-wired connections for easy towing right out the box. It's convenience and capability rolled into one impressive package. The interior boasts a rally-inspired leather steering wheel with paddle shifters that'll make your heart race. And that GR logo? It's like a secret handshake for adventure seekers like us. Now, here's the catch. Toyota Australia is keeping us on the edge of our seats, teasing us with just a taste of what's to come. They're playing coy, revealing only snippets of the full specs ahead of the epic September launch. But mark my words, this sneak peek is a siren song, luring us in with promises of a mid-size pickup that'll redefine the very meaning of luxury off-road capability. Toyota has dialed up the adventure to the max, but here's the deal. We've only scratched the surface. So before you hit that comment button, let me ask you this. Can you handle the suspense? Drop a comment below with your guess on the Hilux GR Sport's top secret feature. If you want to stay tuned for upcoming updates, press the bell icon and hit that subscribe button for becoming a part of our passionate community.